Today we have our homework 7. We will try to draw a stethoscope. Firstly, I will draw a spline to select the point of the outer shell of the stethoscope. Our homework for today don't have specific dimensions, so I'll choose it by myself the way that I see is proper. So, another point here and here. Let me make it straight. I'll try to make it real as possible as I can. So I'll choose this dimension by myself. Okay. Now, after I draw this on the top line, I will go to the reference geometry and choose a new plane to draw on it. I'll choose this point and this line and make it normal to this new plane. That's good. Go to the circle and draw a circle. I'll choose the dimensions 1.25. Let me make it just bigger. And go to the surface, the swept surface, and choose the circle and its path. After that, I will make height for the new plane that I draw and go again to the top line and make a show and make sketch on that top line, and of course normal to that plane. Now I'll choose the center point arc. Okay. After I choose the center point arc, I will go again to the reference geometry by choosing a plane and select my point and my line and flip to normal. On this plane, I will go by normal 2. Find a proper orientation for drawing. That's good. Now sketch. I'm drawing the second circle, the same as the first one, is 1.25. That's good. Now I'll go to the surface and choose swept surface again to draw the second part of the stethoscope. For the second plane, height. For the top plane, normal 2. Now for the third step, I will go to the sketch and draw a line. This line now have now center line. This center line just to make the angle of the first line. I'll make it equal to 10. Good. Now go to the tangent arc and draw. Okay. Just let me make this point vertical to each other. That's vertical. Now I'll draw this line. Let it be a 7 degree. And again, as the same of the previous steps, I will make reference geometry and plane and choose this point and this line and flip to normal and OK, and normal to the third new plane. And draw a circle. I'll make it smaller than the first and the second circle and make it 0.5. That's very good. Now go to the swept surface again and choose circle and its path. Okay. Now to the top line and make it normal to the top line. Make it bigger again. This is the third plane, I'll make it height. And now I'll draw a midpoint. This is my midpoint. And now draw a line. That's good. This part will be revolved surface. Just let me make it bigger. Oh, I forget something. I need to make this line for construction to make it revolve surface. That's very good. And before I go to another step, just let me make a fleet to make it similar to the real stethoscope. So this fleet 0.3 millimeter, and yes. Now let me show the right plane to make mirror about the right plane. That's mirror. Zoom to fit. The right plane and the body to mirror. I'll choose the bodies that I need to make mirror, and that's good. So height to the right plane and go to the top line and make it normal too, and make the final part. The final part with a midpoint. This is the midpoint. I guess that's enough. And go to the line. Okay. Now just go to the trim to make this part. Just let me make this point and this point together. That's good. Now I'll go to surface, swept surface. Sorry, not swept surface, but revolve surface. Just I need to make this for construction. Sketch this line. Need to be a for construction to make revolved surface. Make it bigger to see it clear. That's okay. And the final step is to make a plate, as we said, to make it look like the real stethoscope. Make it 0.7. Let me check. I guess that's proper. And this is our homework 7. I draw a stethoscope. Maybe the video is not obvious very well. But you can see from the screen record. And now, thanks for watching.